Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Clearly we have a problem. I have used one of these to clear this, but it was a lot of work. There has to be a more efficient way of doing this, so maybe it's time for a lawnmower. Let's do some research. Okay, so I'm deciding between the 18 and 40. I really like the 18 because the batteries will match all of my current power tools, but 40 obviously more power. And since I don't really have a good idea for what to do with landscaping yet, according to Google AI, we could just mow it all down and keep it at bay for now. Let's go shopping. I ended up getting the 40 volt because it was the least expensive one. There was a $100 off discount. I'm gonna make a quick YouTube short unboxing it and then we will get to work. That was pretty fun. The bag filled up pretty quickly. That's why a bunch of the clippings were coming out. Pretty simple. Put the battery in, hold this down, press the start button. Let's work on this area next. This green trash can is getting kind of full and heavy, so we will finish this next week when they come and get rid of that. I love my new lawnmower. Didn't think I would be excited about it. I did clean up the edges a little bit with the weed whacker. Still not the best looking lawn because it is mostly just weeds, but definitely a lot better than having it being overgrown. Let's clean things up a little bit, but for now, video 272 done.